Hey everyone, your friends at the Dashcam store here with another unboxing video. Today's cameras, the Garmin 45, 55, and 65W, a collection of Garmin's latest and greatest inexpensive, super small, but feature-packed and high-quality dashcams. Let's talk about the traits that all three of these models have in common. All three Garmins have the same incredibly compact physical dimensions, and they each have a 2-inch LCD display on the back. The only minor exterior differences are going to be related to the lenses, which we'll get into shortly. All three models use Garmin's super slick magnetic mounting solution. Imagine this is your windshield and you've already adhered your extremely small metal mount. All you need to do is touch the magnetic mount of your camera to the metal and it securely clicks into place. Now you can just as easily stow the Garmin in the glove box or bring it inside to download your footage. Also, very important to note is this awesome ball and socket mount arm, which allows you to easily rotate the camera to either side of the vehicle, so you can record an encounter at the driver's side, passenger side, or even in the rear. This magnetic and easily adjustable mount is one of the most innovative mounting solutions we've seen in years, so kudos to Garmin for that one. Alright, so let's talk about what makes these three models different. The 45 and 65W both record in 1080p. But the 55 steps it up to record in 1440p for even more resolution and detail. All three image sensors are high quality and guaranteed to capture your environment, day, low light, or even at night. The 45 and 65W have 2.1 megapixel image sensors, whereas the 55 boasts 3.7 megapixels. Viewing angle is another key differentiator. The 45 and 55 have 122-degree viewing angles, whereas the 65W has a super wide 180-degree viewing angle. Hence the W in the name 65W, and note the larger lens for capturing that larger viewing angle. The 55 and the 65W add voice controls, whereas the 45 does not offer this feature. Voice control allows you to instruct the Garmin to do things such as save a video, perfect for in-the-moment preservation in case you forgot to do so later, take a picture, or start travelapse. Anything to help keep your eyes on the road is a good thing in our book. The 45 is the most basic of the three, but also the least expensive. For a higher resolution and voice controls, go with the 55. If you want voice control and a wider viewing angle, the 65W is for you. The Garmin cameras are some of the smallest on the market, able to fit in the palm of your hand, but they still manage to fit an LCD on the back. Alright, so let's power one on and take a look at the display and some of the menus. As soon as you turn on the engine or power on the camera, it will automatically start recording. You'll receive a quick warning to not adjust the settings while driving. Go ahead and press the button to the right to agree to the terms, or you can just wait for it to go away. From here, you can press the bottom button to take a still image for documentation purposes. Pressing either the up or down button will get you to the settings if you scroll through. Pressing the up button will take you directly to the settings, and the down button will take you directly to the gallery. Once in settings, you can adjust the camera settings, where you can adjust the resolution, event detection, audio, data overlay, and the option to format your card. Driver assistance will take you to the camera placement, forward collision settings, go alerts, lane departure warnings, and proximity alerts. The system menu will give you information about your specific device, volume, screen brightness, color mode, display timeout settings, and some setup options like miles per hour, time, and language. Each camera also has forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, plus alerts for nearby red light and speed cameras, helping cultivate safe driving habits. They all also utilize go alerts, which will notify you when traffic ahead begins to move. You may end up disabling some of these alerts over time, but the red light and speed camera database and warning system provides real value for most drivers. The 45, 55, and 65W are Wi-Fi accessible. Using the Verb mobile app, easily connect your smartphone to the dashcam to copy over and preserve those important video files, so you can share them with friends or even with the police at the scene of an accident, or of course with your insurance company. To connect, make sure your Garmin is turned on and go to the gallery by pressing down or scrolling through. Once there, hit the button to share your gallery and it will provide you with the information you need to connect to your device's Wi-Fi. Connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, then load Verb, which will detect your camera and allow access to your clips for uploading, sharing, and downloading. Automatic incident detection using a G sensor saves event footage upon impact. All the cameras are also GPS enabled, so all footage is stamped with location, time, date, and speed. You know exactly what happened and where. The 45, 55, and 65W come with your forward-facing camera and a few accessories, including a low-profile magnetic mount, a spare adhesive for mounting, a car charger and USB cable, an 8 gig microSD card, and a quick start manual. Though each camera comes with an 8 GB microSD card from Garmin to start with, you can easily upgrade to a 16, 32, or 64 gig. Just be sure to use a trusted Class 10 memory card. For great brand reliability, a compact footprint, and good quality resolution, Garmin has 3 great options. The 45 being the most basic and least expensive, the 55 being the highest resolution with voice controls, and the 65W having the widest viewing angle along with voice controls. Each of these would be great options for any consumer searching for trusted brand reliability and a small but effective dashcam.
Now recording.